Hey everyone, Bradley tuning in, coming at you with another video. Have you ever wondered what your neighbor's house sold for? Of course you have. Let me tell you this, you can actually find that information online for free. This is all thanks to a decision in December by the courts that made it wrong for the Toronto Real Estate Board to withhold, saying it was anti-competitive and bad consumer way to deal with consumers, withholding this information. So this is a serious game changer when it comes to our market. This information is available to you, and I'm going to show you where you can find it. My name is Bradley. We do these videos every single week, and I do apologize. I have a little bit of a sexy man voice on today. We're fighting a cold here at the Watson house. I've got a 3-month-old and my better half doing the same. But we're here and we're filming just to get you guys more tips and tricks and stay up to date. So before I share the website specifically, let me share the implications, because this is serious. We've seen an industry where we've got people with over 20 years of experience that say, you know what, I can do it better than everyone else. And their real only claim to fame has always been that they were gatekeepers to sale data, sale prices. But now this is available to everyone. So who's going to win? And I would attest, and I've said this even for the last 5 years, that the person that is able to adapt to technology, that's able to bring information to our now savvy consumers, will be the one that survives and be the one that thrives in this new climate in the real estate business. So let me share with you a couple websites you can check it out. And let me ask you this as well in the comments before we start running off to other sites. Do you guys think this is reasonable? Do you think that having this information made public is good for the consumer? Or do you think that it could maybe put us back and it really it makes us vulnerable to privacy issues? So let me know that below. So here's some of the websites. First off is Mongo House. I really like the way that this performs on a desktop. It's not so good on a phone, but I do like this site. And the other one is House Sigma, which is a great platform. It's housesigma.com. It's a great platform. If you just want to look up one or two, they'll have it emailed directly to you with lots of information. It's great. So now what you've got in your hands because of these platforms is the sale data. Let me ask you a question. How are we going to convert this into real wealth? This is where the rubber hits the road. So send us a message once you've seen this and you want to make some real wealth. We're happy to help you in that department. Do me a favor. If you guys have never heard of this information before, if this is new for you, no one has had the courage to tell you that this is even available to the public, please like our GTA Real Estate page. Please subscribe to our Watson Estates page on YouTube. We give these tips and tricks every week. Our core goal is to make you guys more knowledgeable and put you ahead in investing in the real estate industry. I know myself as an investor, it applies and it matters. So I want that for you guys as well. We'll see you next week with more tips and tricks. Take care. Keep it real.